Hello, and welcome to this meditation to help you come into your sweet spot. This is a place where you can settle into and let go of stress and begin to recalibrate your body, your mind, your heart, your spirit to be in a little bit more of a nourished, uplifted, feel-good place. And this isn't about ignoring the truth of how you might be feeling in this moment. It's more about understanding that you hold the power to shift your focus, to shift your energy, and to take a pause. If you are experiencing a lot of stress, to take a short pause to promote a sense of well-being inside of you. Because when we are feeling a lot of overwhelm or a lot of stress, that impacts our physicality, our hormones, and it can be helpful to pause and realign and fill yourself up so that you can go back out into your life, into your world, face what needs to be faced, whether it's internal or external, but you can do so from a place that feels a little bit more resourced. So go ahead and allow your eyes to come to close and begin to notice your breath. And just by paying attention to your breath, you may notice that it is naturally beginning to slow down and even out. But if your breath is not slowing down, or if it feels like you're breathing really quickly and there's a quality of stress within your breath, you can coax your breath to begin slowing down. Just breathe in for a little bit longer and then breathe out for a little bit longer. And breath by breath, allowing your inhalations and exhalations to slow down, to lengthen out. And that alone begins to shift our mind, our mental state, our emotions, and even our inner chemistry, our physiology. So take a couple more breaths, paying attention to the inhalation, the exhalations, and again, just inviting them to gently stretch out, to gently slow down. And then shifting your attention to your physical body. And we want to dissolve any surface tension that you can sense, that you can feel right now. And some good places to check in with are your jaw, your shoulders, sometimes the belly is holding tight, or the chest and the heart feel constricted. Notice the palms of your hands and your fingers, letting them grow soft. feeling down into your hips, your legs, your feet, and notice what you are sitting on. And take a nice deep breath in and sigh out through an open mouth and just really let your whole body now release down into whatever you are sitting on. And now it's time to discover your sweet spot. So in your mind's eye, begin to visualize a place where you always feel calm, where you always feel nourished. A place where you love to go and spend time. And if visualizing is easy for you, you can see this place in your mind's eye and imagine yourself there. And if it's difficult for you to visualize, feel yourself there. Imagine what it feels like for you to be there, receiving the energy of this place that is your sweet spot, a place where you can go and recalibrate. As you imagine yourself there, feel yourself receiving this place. Feel yourself receiving the energy of this place. And you can even breathe in this place, just breathing in and absorbing, receiving, taking in its energy. To deepen your experience, notice what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste. And what you feel physically. And from this receptive state, invite in anything else that you need in this moment to feel good, to feel at your best, to feel healthy in your body, your mind, and your spirit. Maybe you want to feel a sense of empowerment. Believe that that energy is here with you and breathe it in. Maybe you want to feel peacefulness. Breathe that in. Whatever you need in this moment is here with you. Breathe it in. Imagine the pores on your skin soaking it up. And then slowly and gently let go of this place, knowing it is always here for you in the subtle realm, and you can access it through your imagination. But bring your attention back now to the flow of your breath. Taking a few breaths where you are stretching out your inhalation, your exhalation. And to seal in this new frequency that you've cultivated, create an intention. And this is an intention about how you are going to move back out into the rest of your day. You can say that intention silently to yourself, maybe resting your hands over your heart, breathing in deeply, breathing out completely. Stress and overwhelm are a natural part of life. And it's within our power to take pauses, to step back, and to recenter ourselves, to fill ourselves up with positive energy, and to shift our state of mind so that we can move back out into the real world and feel strong and resourced and positive. Thank you for joining me for this practice to discover your sweet spot. Have a beautiful rest of your day.